Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to transfer withdrawal money from PayPal to any bank account. First of all, I have to log into my PayPal account. Then I will show you how to step by step how to transfer money to bank account. Right now, I already log in my PayPal account. You can see money is waiting for you. I have $713. Accept the money. Then you can click that part. Accept the money. It's going to the bank, transfer it to your bank. What you want to do with the 713, then transfer it to your bank account. Click that. Okay, transfer amount and get paid to with the instant transfer. But I don't need to instant transfer in within minute. They're charging fees. If you transfer full amount $713 in minute, they're charging $12.48. But I don't need to waste my money. But I'm good with the 1 to 3 days no fee. I'm going to click this 1 to 3 days. But before you select that days, you have to decide how much you want to transfer your account. Right now I'm not transfer full amount. I'm transfer $50. I put the $50. Okay, then I'm going to select the days 1 to 3 days no fee. You can select the bank. I'm selecting right now my bank account. Then transfer $50. Click that. Can see that right now already transfer 50. It's on way to your account. I already transfer 50 from PayPal to my bank account. I will go and check that my money transfer in within 3 days. That's the way how to transfer PayPal to your any bank account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.